Hey, it's Derek and Janet, and we're in Falmouth, England today. And we're just going to walk down the main street. We're kind of doing this backwards, just so you know. The ship and the tender dock, the water shuttle dock, is that way actually. So we're heading back to them. And we're going to do this without a lot of talking. Thank goodness. Right here, I'm going to mention that this is the main street through town, and we had made a left to go up to the moor, the town square, basically. And this street has like 6 different names. Every time it turns, it's a different street. So I'm not going to name the names, but it's the only street like it in town, so you can't miss it. You're going to notice it's mostly bars, restaurants, and gift shops. And there's bookstores and everything else. Mostly bars, restaurants, and gift shops. Enthusiasts. You call that yellow or green? Or puce? A little bit of construction going on. Oh yeah, department stores, clothes, housewares. So sweet. American candy. I wonder what kind of candy is American? Hershey bar? Spinning corn. You might say there's a few people here, but it's still a street and there's still cars to drive on it. I don't know if they do it to, you know, cruise, or if they got business on this street. But boy, I'd take any other street than this if I was driving. Grillers. Kebabs. Janet. mall. St. George Arcade. It's full of little stores. I see a turkey kitchen and a cream corn wall. And a couple cars coming. Let's get on the sunny side of the street. Bagels? I suppose they're boiled and baked? This is kind of a cool place. They make these, everything with that design on it. Pillows, towels. See what I mean about driving? One more. One more.
Go forward to the park.
So I asked you, why would you? Unless you like the people watch while you drive. Crab sandwiches. Fancy. Crab sandwiches. Oh, I see another car coming behind us. Yellow cab.
But at the same time,
Any 10 cards for 10 pounds. Whistle.
And sometimes you get
And a dinosaur. So this is the main drag through Cornwall. Falmouth in Cornwall. And we're going to go up and visit this church. Hi.
Have you been in before? No?
Yes,
I've clicked you in.
a few minutes ago.
I thought so. I recognise the...
What'd you name this church?
it's called King Charles the Martyr Church.
King Charles the Martyr.
King Charles the First. Thank you for coming.
And we're on King Charles II now?
No, we're on King Charles the Third now.
Third.
Here he is.
Third.
That's our King Charles the Third. King Charles the First had his head removed from his body.
Oh.
Good morning and welcome. Good morning and welcome. Yes, because he was not regarded as being a very good king. And when the monarchy was eventually restored by his son, he had promised to build a church here. So Peter Killigrew from Cornwall went up to the king and reminded him about the promise. Good morning, welcome.
Thank you.
So that's how it was built.
King Charles the Martyr. Let's take a look at one of these windows up close.
Smile. Come on. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Very good, thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you.
Hey, look, it's Janet. All books £1,
There's one there that Mickey Dash.
and they look like they're in English.
Yes, I know.
Piano or harpsichord? Oh, there's an organ.